I greet you all, my brothers and sisters. My name is Gilbert Olanya, the Member of Parliament from Amoro. With deep sorrow and heavy heart, I would like to bring to you this very important message and concern about the closure of Karuma Bridge. The Karuma Bridge was closed yesterday, and immediately yesterday on Monday, the directives came from the ministry that all buses passing via Magician Falls Park to Masindi must start paying money, 210,000 per bus, and all occupants in the bus must pay 25,000 Uganda shillings. All small vehicles passing via the park to Masindi must pay 40,000 shillings. The occupants pay 25,000 Uganda shillings. Ladies and gentlemen, I wanted to prove this today. Very early in the morning, today Tuesday, by 8 a.m., I was ready at the gate. I was told that we are supposed to pay. I had to pay that money for evidence. I paid 40,000 plus myself 25,000, total 65,000 to access the road from Pakwaj, Magician Falls via the park to Masindi. And any other vehicles, if you don't want to pay, you are supposed to pass from Bulisa, Oima, Chiboga, you proceed to Kampala. Extremely far distance. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow Northerners, you can now see the kind of sabotage, the kind of feelings towards the northern community. When they closed the Karuma Bridge, we asked them to open the Sino Bridge, which is very near Karuma. The minister claims that they cannot do that. Now they have closed the park. Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot continue stomaching this kind of discrimination. We cannot continue tolerating this kind of nonsense towards the people of northern Uganda. What annoyed me the most, when I found a taxi from VILA going to Kitkum, the taxi owner was stopped and asked to pay 40,000, and all the occupants were asked to pay 25,000 shillings each. Yet from Biale to Kitgum, the driver told me that they are charging 60,000 per person. It used to be 20,000. Now on reaching the park, the occupants were supposed to foot 25,000 shillings on top of the 60,000 shillings. My dear people, you can now see the kind of nonsense government has towards the people of northern Uganda. Now, if I have to give you an example, there is no another park that is being paid for using the road in this country, apart from the one in northern Uganda. Go to Kasese. When the road to Kasese, when you are proceeding towards Barara, you pass via the park and is not being paid. buses move the whole night. People travels the whole night and no one asks you for a cent. When you are traveling on that road, animals are so many. Many people stop, they take pictures, they do everything. They are not disturbed. When you are traveling from Barara, the same. Lake Buru National Park, it passes in the middle of the park and no one disturbs you. So anything from the western part of this country is okay. Anything from northern part of this country, the conditions must be put strictly and it must be followed. My dear northerners, we shall continue tolerating such kind of nonsense for how long? This is too much. So what we are demanding now is that one, from the immediate effect, from today, Tuesday, immediately, the ministry and the minister must allow buses to start accessing the road from Madison Falls to Masindi free of charge without any payment. The payment that they are talking about must be abolished immediately. As a member of parliament from northern Uganda, we shall not tolerate this kind of nonsense for long. We cannot see our business community being frustrated intentionally. This is an economic war towards our people. Now you want buses from West Nile, from Acoli, from Lango to continue paying 210,000 shillings for what? Aware that the cost shall be transferred onto the passengers. Please, from today, Tuesday, you started charging our people yesterday, and today, I'm telling you, by tomorrow, Wednesday, and onwards, you must stop this kind of nonsense. Failure to do that, you will see what we are going to do as members of parliament from the Greater North. Fellow Northerners, business community from West Nile, Acoli, and Lango, let us be bold. We shouldn't be allowed to be fooled within this short time we are living on earth. We did not apply to be coming from northern Uganda, but we found ourselves from the north. So failure, if you continue charging money on the vehicles passing from the park, we shall mobilize our people and we shall cut off the road to northern Uganda. Allow us to stay and we continue living the way you want. So please take this seriously. Number two, make sure the other small bridge, the Sino bridge at Karuma, let that bridge be open for our people who are living in Karuma and people who are living in Kamdeni. Aware that community who are living in Karuma, the only hospital that they have is at Tapara, which is across the bridge. And many of them are farming, they are cultivating across the bridge. Now you stop even the pedestrian, you stop the motorcycle. What kind of nonsense is this? How do you expect those people to survive? Please, make sure you open up that small bridge. We are still talking in a good way, but you wait within 2-3 days and you will know that the members of parliament from northern Uganda are annoyed. I greet you all, my dear brothers and sisters. I call upon you, let us put aside the political differences. When it comes to the livelihood of our people, let us not think of our political parties. There are other people who are naive. Wherever an issue comes, they start tagging it into the political party, which is nonsense. Let us look at the plight of our people. I greet you all. This is Gilbert Olanya, and we are going to swing into action immediately. I thank you.